Back here with another product review. This time it's the Basenor Screen Protector. It's a matte finish one. I have one on this one right here. I've had for a couple years now and it's worked well. In fact, it's gotten a couple dings on the side here, and if we put it in the screen protection mode so that we can clean it, you can see a couple cracks. So let's go ahead and go through that process. So you're going to go on the car, go to display, screen clean mode, and so I've got a couple cracks. They're hard to see, but they're here. So do you really need a screen protector? Maybe not, but I like the matte finish. It removes some of the glare, so I've always had one. This is my second Tesla. If I ever get another Tesla, I'll be replacing it. So I reached out to Basenor to see if they had any screen protectors that they could send me to review, and they sent me this one here. So we'll go ahead, we'll take it out of the box. So okay, so they've got some foam, some instructions, so let's take a look at those. So I'll tell you what's included. It's a nice looks like it's pretty nice instructions. Again, it's different from the ones that I've seen just recently. So I've seen a couple reviews of the Basenor screen protector, and they look like they had the strip going this way. Now it's up and down, so this is a different version again. So here's the instructions. Looks like they have a nice little cleaning kit. So it comes with, let's see what we all have here. So we got the wipe to clean it, a cardboard squeegee to take out the air if you have any, microfiber towel for cleaning, and then one of those sticky things for removing the lint. So we'll put those to the side. And then of course their thank you for purchasing our product card. So we'll go ahead and send that to the side. Pull this completely out so there's nothing else. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is clean the screen, or in my case, remove the original matte finish one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So just peel it up from the corner, and there you can see the cracks that I have on it. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but there's one that's right across the whole piece right here. So my glass should be clean, but let's go ahead and do a cleaning. So this removes the dirt. Okay, just open this up. That to the side, let it dry, and take the microfiber towel they provide you, then you can take the sticky thing and you can just go like this, just in case there's anything on there. It'll just remove any of the lint that's possibly there. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So this part is a cover. So it says pull the dust strip. It looks like there's a 1, so this is the first thing. So we'll go ahead and we'll place this on the screen, making sure that that's hanging out. And we put it in place. Okay. Then we're going to pull this down. That just makes it a lint-free area. Uh-oh. There we go. So it pulls that out. So let's pull the dust strip, which we do. Press and slide. So it's in place. We're going to press and slide. When I had to manually tape this up and get it there, it would go out like this and stick to the glass. So what we're going to do is pull this tab and just hold it like this. Pull it down instead of like this. I can see it there. It's really easy to set up. We're just pulling this off. And it has a protective screen on it. I can see a couple bubbles right here, so what I would do is, oh, it's the felt piece right here, and just swipe it till it goes out. And you don't want to press straight, you want to kind of have it on an angle. There's one right there. There's one right there. Oh, looks like I might have a little lint there. If I do, then where's that sticky thing? Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll pull this off. A little bit of static there, and I definitely have a piece of lint or something stuck underneath there. So the best way to get it is to just peel up the corner. And let it fall back. And let's see what happens. Looking good. Got that piece of lint out. We just let it slowly work its way. There we go. Just a little corner. There we go. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. Be sure to save this to the end because I did have a piece of lint there even though I didn't see it. Even the smallest amount will cause the air bubble to be there. Looks really good. I love the matte finish. There's no glare. And then once you're completely done, you can just press and hold. You could, if you wanted to, clean this. Just normal cleaning way you would clean like that. And then press and hold. And then it will take us out. And there we go. So that looks really good. It was easy to set up. I love this aligning tool. So I love how this lining tool just lines up perfectly with the monitor and puts it right in the right place. And then the pressing here allows the glass to bond with the screen protector. I did get a couple small air bubbles. I did get one like right up there and it was a piece of lint. Other than that, it looks really good. I'm glad I've got a new screen protector on there. So I'd like to thank Basenor for sending this to me. And if you're interested in getting a screen protector like this for your Tesla Model 3 or Y, I've got a link down in the description to the Amazon as well as their website. So that was a pretty quick install with the matte screen protector from Basenor. Again, thanks for sending that to me. And then if you're interested in purchasing one of these screen protectors for your car, I'd highly recommend doing it as soon as you get your car, as one of the first things you would get. I know when I got my car, the first things I bought were from Basenor: the floor mats, the mud flaps, and a screen protector. Those are 3 things I would put on any brand new Tesla right away, and I have the links down in the description for it. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.